In this video, we're going to be going over the list feature for Pricelink. Now, my name is Noah, and I am the owner and founder of Pricelink, the best product research tool for Walmart sellers. The list functionality is one of our many tools, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to go ahead and to take your Walmart business to the next level. This is going to allow you to stay organized and to keep track of products, making sure that everything has a home and that you're not losing any leads or any items that you're monitoring. To get started, all you need to do is just head to pricelink.io, or you can click the link underneath this video. From there, you can get started with our 7-day free trial and just click on Dashboard. This is going to take you to your account, which is going to be blank if you just signed up. And to access the lists, all you need to do is just click on My Lists. From this page, you can go ahead and you can see all of the lists that you currently have active. You can see how many products are in a list, when they were created, and when the list was updated. Right here, you can go ahead and you can view a list or you can delete it. If you want to go ahead and create a new list, simply click right here. And all you need to do is just give it a name. On your account, you get up to 50 lists. Now we are going to be updating this, but this is the current limit. After you create a list, this is what it's going to look like until you start to add products. To add a product to a list, you can either do it through a file upload, and if you want more information about file uploads, be sure to go ahead and to see our tutorial linked down below. To import a single product, all you need to do is just input the item identifier, so either the UPC code, the Walmart item ID, or the URL. All can be found on the Walmart retail page. So I'm just going to take the UPC code for this item, and then I'm going to add it right here. And you can also go ahead and add a source price. So let's say this cost me $13. Then you can press import, and it's going to be added to this list. Another way to add products is through the Chrome extension. So simply go to the product that you want to upload, press the Chrome extension, press import product, put a cost price, then select the list that you want, and then press import. Once you upload that product to the list, you're then going to go ahead and see all of the information. So you can see the number of sellers. You can also drop this down to see a seller table. You can see the image, title, Walmart item ID. You can also go ahead and click this button to take you to the Walmart page. You can click this button to go ahead and view our product detail page, which is going to have the seller offer table, as well as all of our historical data. So here you can see the price data, stock data, the ratings and offers, as well as the badge history and the buy box history. Next, you can go ahead and you can click the bell icon to set an alert. So if you'd like to learn more about the alerts, then you can go ahead and click the video in this description. To the right, you have the sellers broken out from the number, and then you have the merchant fulfilled, as well as how many WFS sellers are on the listing. Next, you have the brand, then you have the category, and then you have the name of the product. To the right, you also have the UPC code, the buy box price, the buy box trend. So this will show you instantly if a price is trending down, as well as up over the last 30 days. You can also click it, and this is going to allow you to see it from a closer view. Next to that, you have the buy box seller. You can also see the rating, reviews, verified reviews, variations, referral fee, fulfillment fee, the size, cost, net profit, profit margin, and ROI if you inputted your cost. So when you're adding items to a list, this is why you want to go ahead and add your cost, because it's going to show you your net profit, your profit margin, and this will update in real time. So as the buy box price changes on Walmart, you can go ahead and you can keep up to date with your profitability. If you forgot to add a cost or you want to change your cost, all you need to do is just click on the actions on the right, and from here, just press edit, and then you can go ahead and you can either delete your cost or you can change it. Some additional actions are you can view it on Walmart. You can also go ahead and you can view our product detail page again, or you can also create an alert. Now let's take a look at a list with a little bit more products, as well as go over the bulk actions, the preferences, and the exporting functionality. So as you can see, I have 38 products in this list. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to add a prep fee because either my supplier charges me prep or I know how much my prep is for my warehouse. I can simply go ahead and add it here. So my prep is $1.20 per a unit. And then also my supplier gives me a 10% discount. So once you apply those and you save the changes, they're then going to be applied automatically to the cost, and they're automatically going to be calculated in your net profit and the other calculations. Next, you can also go ahead and you can export items. So you can either export up to 100 all the way up to 5,000 rows. Just give it a file name and choose if you want it in a CSV or an Excel format. Lastly, you have bulk actions. So when you're already in a list, under bulk actions, you can go ahead and you can create alerts, and we're going to be adding the bulk action to delete listings from a list. So if you wanted to go ahead and create a lot of alerts, just press here, and then all of the alerts that you set are going to apply to all of those listings. So where the list functionality starts to become extremely powerful is in the ability to filter through all the products that you added to a list. So if you have a list with 1,000 products, you can go ahead and quickly sort through it to find the target products that you want to see. For example, of these 38 products that I have, I can quickly set a filter for the number of sellers, so show me products that have less than 5 sellers. Instantly, instead of 38, I now have 26. Now we can even get more granular, and I can say show me products that have a buy box price, let's say greater than 20. So now we went from 26 down to 17, and you can get as granular and as detailed as you want. You can say show me products with a best sellers badge. You can say show me products where Walmart is not on the listing. Show me products that are out of stock. So if you have thousands and thousands of products in a list, this way you can quickly see all of the opportunities available inside of this list. The best use case for the list functionality, at least that I've seen and for other users, is uploading wholesale lists, old leads lists. You can even upload your own catalog. This way you can keep track of all the products that you're currently selling on Walmart, as well as older products, or you can just go ahead and keep track of any different product that you want to go ahead and keep track of. So the list feature is a key functionality of Pricelink, as it allows you to organize your products and to work outside of that list. We're currently working on a ton of new features, and I'm excited to go ahead and show you soon.